Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to Saint François Xavier, Manitoba, a picturesque community that beautifully blends history, culture, and natural beauty. Located just west of Winnipeg, Saint François Xavier is a place where the charm of rural living meets the convenience of nearby urban amenities. The area, now known as Saint François Xavier, has a rich history that dates back to the early 19th century. Originally settled by the Métis people, the region played a significant role in the fur trade and the development of the Red River Colony. The town was officially established in 1859 and named after Saint François Xavier, a Jesuit missionary. Over the years, Saint François Xavier has grown into a vibrant community that cherishes its heritage and traditions. Saint François Xavier is situated in the heart of the Red River Valley, a region renowned for its fertile farmland and stunning landscapes. The area is characterized by rolling fields, lush greenery, and the winding Red River, which has been a vital part of the community's history and economy. The river not only provides beautiful scenery but also offers opportunities for fishing, boating, and other recreational activities. In addition to its rural charm, Saint François Xavier offers easy access to nearby parks and nature reserves, making it a great destination for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're interested in hiking, bird watching, or simply enjoying the tranquility of nature, there are plenty of opportunities to explore and appreciate the natural beauty of the area. Whether you're visiting for a short time or considering making it your home, Saint François Xavier offers a warm welcome and a glimpse into the heart of Manitoba's rural life.